Travis, most people on a vehicle in this price range want to put down 25 to 30% down. In your case, that's about $12,000 to $15,000. Now, did you have that number in mind, or did you have another one?
No, I had a different number.
Okay, you hold on to that number, okay? Because we're going to do it your way. Make no mistake about that. Can I share with you what's in it for you if you put down a little money, though?
Yeah.
Number one, you reduce the balance to finance. And that's the key to making this thing work out in spectacular fashion for you. Because when you reduce the balance to finance, most of the time you're going to have a lower payment. Now, you didn't strike me as the type of guy that wanted to leave here with the highest payment in your neighborhood. Am I right about that?
Right.
Okay. Number three, lower the balance to finance, the fewer finance charges you're going to pay, whether you borrow the money from us or your Aunt Millie. Okay, so that's saving money. Number four, when you reduce the balance to finance, you got the option to do something that most people don't have the option to do, and that's shorten the term. Mm-hmm. When you shorten the term, you're saving money yet again. So there's not one, but two opportunities to save money.
Yes.
When you shorten the term, lower that balance to finance, you're going to build cash value faster, which gives you the ability to trade or sell it sooner, and you can avoid that horrible thing called negative equity. And number seven, you're going to get to the dream payment faster. You know what the dream payment is, don't you, Travis?
No payment.
No payment at all. So taking into consideration saving a bunch of money, trading sooner, paying it off faster, how close to 12 to 15 could you come? So, you see, you need to be able to rattle those things off. And remember what I said to him. I said, we're going to do it your way. Because if he ain't got two nickels to rub together, we're still going to write this deal up and try to deliver him, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to scare him off. I don't want him to think he has to put down a lot of money, but I want to give him some good reasons to put down money. Look, I don't want to give you any cash unless you give me good reasons. Give me good reasons, I'll give you some cash. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm.